The AKEYDIY Rocket Castle Bounce House is a magnificent 7-in-1 design that offers a variety of play areas, including a climbing wall, trampoline area, 2 fun slides, and a splash pool area. Constructed with wear-resistant 420D nylon cloth and 840D materials, this bounce house ensures the utmost safety and durability, making it a secure play area for your kids. The unique rocket and castle design is not only visually appealing, but also easy to install and store, making it a hassle-free addition to any party or event. This spacious bounce house supports 4 to 5 kids at a time, providing a large area for jumping, sliding, playing, and even water sliding, all while ensuring safety with its 3-side protection mesh. With the inclusion of a high-quality electric air blower, inflation and deflation of the bounce house is quick and easy, making setup and takedown a breeze. With a commitment to professional service and customer satisfaction, the AKEYDIY Rocket Castle Bounce House makes a superb gift for kids for any occasion, providing endless hours of fun both indoors and outdoors.